Hello, this is a short video on how to make a submission on the consultation portal. To start, if you already have an account, you'll just need to log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to go and register for a free account. Click on register in the top right of your screen and you'll be presented with three options: to register as an individual, an organisation or an agent. Today I'll click to register as an individual and I'll be given a registration form on which I can input my details. I will then press Create New Account and the portal will send me an automatic email with an activation link. I will need to click on this link, which will then ask me for username and password, and with that I will be logged straight into the consultation portal, and from there I can go ahead and make a submission. For now, as I've already registered, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my username and password. I will then click on Consultations or indeed Surveys to browse what is open and the consultation that I'd like to participate in and make a submission. So today I'm going to make a submission to this consultation here. This is a demo consultation. I'm then brought to the consultation, which outlines everything about it, as well as all of the contents on the right hand side and materials. Then I press Make a Submission. When I do, I'm brought to a welcome page, and that simply asks me for title for my submission. So because it's about housing and the environment, I will give those as my keywords, and that will just describe what my submission is about. Then I'll press Start. I'm then brought to the main submission form. If I wish, I can give a cover letter, describing perhaps if I'm representing a group, but I don't need that today. I will leave that blank. And then I come to where I can make my comments. On the submission form, you're asked to indicate which theme, or in the case of a document, which section of the document I want to comment on. So in this case, I'm going to comment on housing. If there are any particular topics that have been set out for that chapter, I can also select the topic related to that chapter, and then I'll give a short title to my comment. So my comment is about the increasing need for housing in our area. And then here is where I will put in my view, or what I would like to say about that particular issue. So this is where I'll write the whole body of what I would like to say about the housing need in our area. Perhaps I have an attachment that I'd like to upload with the comment. I can do so by clicking on the attachments field here, clicking, and then uploading my file by clicking on this green button. I'm now going to add that comment to the submission, and I can see it here. I can open it to read it, click the pencil icon if I want to go back in and edit it, and then just click on the heading again, or click cancel to close it again. I can then add another comment on another section of the document. Perhaps I'd like to comment on tourism. There are no topics within tourism, so I'll just go and give a title to my observation. And then I will make the body of my comment here. I will then add that to my submission. Now, assuming I've made enough comments and that I'm happy, I can then continue down to look at the interactive map. So if a map is provided on your submission, you simply click on it to open it. In this case, I can see the map of Dublin, and I will zoom in, and perhaps I would like to refer to a particular area that I'm talking about in terms of housing or tourism promotion. So I will select the pencil tool, select this little drawing icon here, and then I will draw in a particular area and double click to finish my shape. Now you might like to zoom in and really specifically pick out that one place, for example here, and you can draw very specifically on the map. I'll double click to close it. I'll then finish and save and review my submission. I'm then told that my submission is not yet submitted. I need to review it to make sure I'm happy with it. So here I see my first comment, here I see my second comment in my submission, and here I see the shapes that I have drawn on the map, and I can zoom in on those. I can then submit now. Once I submit, I can no longer edit it in this case, so I'll press submit now. I'm then given a unique ID, which is also sent to me in a confirmation email, and I can view my submission. I can retrieve my submissions at any time by clicking on the profile icon at the top right of the screen and going to my submissions page. Indeed, I can also manage my consent, any participation in private or public groups, and my subscriptions to alerts from different consultations. I'll just click on my submissions page, and there I'm able to view the various submissions that I have made and either submitted or in draft mode. That is the end of the demo. Thank you very much.